y este es otro de tus sentidos.
Hoy hablaremos de
los pies, igual que en las manos. Los dedos de los pies nos ayudan a mantener el equilibrio para andar.
A blue teddy bear.
Blue! Yay!
Marshall buddy, what? A red race car.
Red!
Rubble buddy. Whoa, a yellow school bus.
Yellow! Yay!
Rocky buddy. Oh, a green dinosaur.
Green!
Zuma buddy, Zuma buddy.
And for you.
And an orange basketball.
Orange!
Wow, look at all those great toys. How about you guys play with them all?
88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100! Get up! And get down!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Let's count from 10 to 20.
Let's count from 10 to 20.
A's for Alphabet.
Simon says, shout hooray! Simon says,
Si tú quieres jugar, aquí vas a disfrutar con Lupi de Baby Radio.
El bosque de Baby Radio.
I love the ABC. Come along and sing with me. Sing with me. A, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That was fun.
There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We did it. 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. We did it!
16, 17, 18, 19, 20! That was fun.
Pronunciar mejor las letras del alfabeto en inglés. Y ahora, aquí vamos. El alfabeto. D, Y, Y. Z, Z, Z. Muy bien, amiguito. Aprendes muy rápido. Vamos a hacerlo otra vez para reforzar lo que aprendiste. A, B, C, D, V, W, X, Y, Z. Muy bien, amiguito. Ahora que ya sabes el alfabeto en inglés,
Sople la vela, que 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 sople la vela. Feliz cumpleaños, feliz cumpleaños, pide un deseo, tienes que celebrar. Happy birthday.
Feliz cumpleaños, amigo.
Will you sing with us? You will? Great!
Old MacDonald had a farm.
On Independence Day, raise your flags and wave. It's America's birthday. The letters on the bus are all lined up. All W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, bus driver, we're ready to go. Al fin estás contento, tu sonrisa es el reflejo. Si al fin estás feliz, puedes gritar. ¡Yay!
Thank you. Thank you very much. You are
Oh, we're better together. Oh, oh, oh.
Thank you again. You are so kind to us. Our third song will be
Forget About.
They're my friends, Brian, Mark, Henry, and my siblings Danny and Sarah. Are you ready for a lot of fun?
Well, that's great. Now let our fun begin.
Oh,
Here's
thank you
song
so
number
much.
2.
And now
Green
for the
grass
second
go
song.
round.
Would you?
And Bingo was his name, oh. And Bingo was his name, oh.
"15 minutes later.
Forget about this stupid child.
It's an elephant with a pig. Would we call it an elapig? Would we call it a pigafont? Would we call it an elapigafont? Here's our...
Happy birthday, dear Peppa. Happy birthday to you. I love you all too. Happy birthday, dear Peppa. Happy birthday to you. And I love you all too. Happy birthday, dear Peppa. Happy birthday to you. I love you all too. Happy birthday, dear Peppa. Happy birthday to you. Oh, this is so sweet, thank you. And I love you all too. Happy birthday, dear Peppa. Happy birthday to you.
The word of the week is audience, a group of people who watch or listen to something together, like a rock band. PBS Kids Word of the Week. The word of the week is passenger. You're a passenger when someone's steering or driving you from place to place.
Great time! I've got tons of great PBS Kids videos. Let's pull the lever and you're going to have a great day. I've got tons of great PBS Kids videos. Let's pull the lever to watch my or one of my best friends. I've got tons of great PBS Kids videos. Let's pull the dash here. Before we watch some great PBS Kids videos, let me ask you a question. Do you know what we call this time of year? Before we watch some great PBS Kids videos, let me ask you a question. Do you know what we call this time of year? Before we watch some great PBS Kids videos, I have a question for you. Do you Bravo! Bravo! That was Dash here. Before we watch some great PBS Kids videos, let me ask you a question. Do you know what we call this time of year?